So one more thing I wanted to say yesterday was that, see, number of stocks are also very important. There are a lot of stocks you can find out, but you have to pick the best one. And it is not like you'll have 40, 30 stocks in your overall watch list. If you want to maintain a good portfolio, a good number has to be there. An ideal number should be there, right? So if you just look at these numbers, these are big names all, and how many stocks they hold: 16, 37, okay, 17, 16, 26, 44, 23, 4, 22, 14, 8. So I'll tell you an ideal number. When you are doing swing trading, you guys understand what a swing trading is?
Yes.
You are catching a swing, okay? For example, you entered somewhere here, and once the price goes up, you get 10-15%, you close off. So that is, you are catching up the swing and you're booking profit. So if you are doing a swing trading, minimum what you should do is you should divide your risk into 10 to 15 shares is what you can do. Okay, same can be followed for long term. You should never do investment in one particular, two particular stocks, and it should also not be like you invest all your amount in one particular sector. If you feel that retail is going up, it should not be like you invest all your amount in retail companies. It should always be diversified. Okay, and you should
Yes.
aim like minimum 10%, and then you can go towards 15, because we don't have that much big capital. These guys have big capital, so they can even diversify it. But a good number is what, 10 you can think in your mind always. If you're doing swing trading, or if you are looking for long term also, try to pick up 10 stocks in which you should rotate your capital. Okay, that's how you should do it. It should not be that you invest all your money in one particular company. One more thing here I'll tell you. See, minimum capital investment, okay, minimum 5% is what you should do it. If you should not invest, if you have like 1 lakh rupees and less than 5,000, you should not invest in one company. That would be a very less investment. Minimum 5, maximum you can go till 25 in one company. Okay, understood. For example, if I want to invest in Idea, Reliance Power, Reliance Communication, which are debit ridden companies, okay, small companies which can grow multifold, so I'll invest 5%, 6%, 7%, but not more than that. If I'm very bullish on some companies like DMart is there, ABFR is there, so I may invest 20% of my capital or 10-15% of my capital. So your risk should be always in line with seeing the company, what kind of a company it is. Okay, that you should always think. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Shall I write these points also?
No, I think that is okay.
So this is what you have to do. Okay, so I have shown you that highest market cap diversification Excel sheet till now. This one, wait a second. All right, no problem. So 3 phases of market also we have not discussed, right? Have we discussed?
No, sir.
No. All right, so we'll start with a new topic today, which is known as 3 phases of market. Okay. So whenever you look at a one particular stock, you'll always find that some kind of a cycle is maintained. If we just look at this, sometimes this particular stock is going upward, then coming down. So there is a cycle which keeps on going. Okay. And if we try to segregate these cycles, it can be segregated into 3 things. One is contraction, we also call that as, you know, sideways movement, contracting, pullback or trend phase. Okay, so just let me find this slide and then we will discuss in detail.